Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class. Here in this class, we are discussing previous year questions for the topic permutation and combination, which are important for your CA foundation exam. So before I start giving you the questions and you start solving it, so although I know that you guys know the formula, but even then, I just want to re-emphasize the formula that you should know what is the formula of NCR. NCR formula is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, where your n should be greater than or equal to r. Okay, when it comes to NPR, so NCR stand for combination while NPR stand for permutation. So NPR formula is n factorial by n minus r factorial. Assume I'm assuming that you guys know this formula. Okay, going further, you should know the relation that NPR is equal to NCR into R factorial. Okay, you can write this NPR as NCR into R. In place of R factorial, you can write RPR. Okay, that means R factorial only. So any doubt with these things, whatever I have written? Any doubt, whatever I have written with this, any doubt? So if I'm saying 0 factorial is 1. 0 factorial is 1. Okay, if I'm saying 1 factorial is 1. If I'm saying 2 factorial means 2 into 1 means 2. Okay, and 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 means 6. Okay, so if I'm saying 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means 24. If I'm writing 5 factorial, if I'm writing 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means 120. 6 factorial is 720. You should know this. 7 factorial I can write as 7 into 6 factorial. 7 factorial I can write 7 into 6 factorial, or I can write 7 factorial as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. All mean same thing. So 7 into 6 factorial means 720. That would be 5040. Or if I write 7 6 are 42 into 120, if you solve, you'll get 5040. So n factorial, when I'm writing n factorial means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 till 1. Clear na everyone? Any doubt? Whatever I've done, any doubt? No? Okay. Harshita, any question? Kavna, any question? Nandikishore, once Zaiba, any question in your mind? Okay. So you should understood this. Now, if I'm saying 7 factorial by 3 factorial, what is the answer for that? That would be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial. So 7 by 3 factorial, if you solve this, so this will be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. Means this is 42 into 20. 42 into 20 means 840. Okay. So I hope you are getting this part. Now, if I'm writing guys 7p3, if I'm writing 7p3, so 7p3 means 7 factorial by 7 minus 3 factorial. So this is nothing but 7 factorial by 4 factorial. You know how to solve it. And so the other way, what you can do, guys, if I'm saying 7p3, the other way, what you can do, just draw 3 line, put 3 dash, and then start with 7. 7 minus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. This is 7p3. Okay, if I'm asking you what is 12 p4, so means draw 4 line, 1, 2, 3, 4, and start writing 12 into minus 1, 11 into minus 1, 10 into minus 1, 9. Are you getting this? So you know the formula, right? NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. You know this formula. So I'm just applying that formula. And instead of you wasting time using formula and all, just use that logic. And if I'm asking you 93P7, 93P7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then write 93 into 92 into 91 into 90 into 89 into 88 into 87. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Total 7. Clear everyone? Are you getting? So if you're getting in P form, write like this. So if, okay. So if I'm asking you what is 93 P5, if I'm writing 93, sorry, 93 P5 you understood. If I'm writing 93 C5, so what is the formula? Formula is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So that is the formula. If you apply formula and all, it will take a lot of your time. And if you do within formula, it will consume lot of your time. So what I will suggest you guys, you know this now, NPR is equal to NCR into R factorial. So what I'll suggest, NCR is equal to NPR by R factorial. Okay, so if I'm asking you what is 93C5, if I'm asking you what is 93C5, if I'm asking you what is 93C5, so write 93C5 as 93P5 by 5 factorial. What is 93P5? Just now I taught you how to do P5, how to do P1. So if so, this would be 93 into 92 into 91 into 89 into 88. Total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by 5 factorial. 120. You solve this, that is 93P5, 93C5. So remember this logic, like if I'm asking you what is NC2, if I'm asking what is NC2, NC2 means n factorial, then NC2 means n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. If I'm writing what is NC3, what is NC3? NC3 formula is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial. If I'm asking you what is NC4, NC4 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 24. So remember the logic, and always, I hope you know the difference between permutation and combination. So permutation is the next step after combination. Guys, I don't know how much you are clear with the concept of permutation and combination. So random selection is combination, random selection into random selection into random arrangement, and that is basically is your permutation. Random selection is combination. So it means from n object you have chosen R object. From n object you have chosen R object. Now R object in R places you will arrange in R factorial. That will give you permutation. That is the meaning of permutation. So NCR into R factorial, that is equal to NPR. So random selection followed by random arrangement. That is what is your permutation. So like guys, if you see this question number 1, so the number of 4-letter word that can be formed using the letters of the word, some dictionary is written. So okay, so suppose this is the question. This question came in your CV exam. So imagine if this is your question. So suppose this is your question, number of 4-letter word. So which can be formed using the letter word dictionary. So dictionary. So dictionary. So how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 words are there, and none are repeating. So there's no letter which is repeating. If we repeat, then the way how will we do that get little bit change, and I'll discuss that. Total 10 words are there, and from 10 letters are there. So 10 letters are there, and the total 10 letters are there. Total 10 letters are there. And from 10 letters, in how many ways can I choose 4 letters? And from 10 letter, how will I choose 4 letter? 10C4. And then from the 4 letters, in how many ways can I make 4-letter word? That would be 4 factorial. That is nothing but 10P4. That is nothing but 10p4. What is how to find 10p4? I taught you 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. That is 10p4. And 72 into 7 are 72 into 7 are 14, 50, 5040. That is the answer. Option A. And so first, whenever you're getting any question, and always think about combination. So you have total 10 letters. Okay, you have total 10 letters and you want to make a 4-lettered word. Okay, so from 10 letters, in how many ways can I choose 4 letters? That is 10C4, random selection. And whenever your objective is only selection, you use combination. When your objective is only selection, not about arrangement and all, if the question only needs you to select, so that is combination question. But after selection, if the question expect you to further, means after selection, further you to arrange also, then that is permutation. And if the question is all about selection, it is combination. Clear na everyone? Question number 1 clear with everyone? Any doubt, please ask me. Kavna, Ramya, Karthik, Harshita, Nand Kishore, Vans, Zaiba, any question? Clear na everyone? Can I go to next question? Okay, guys, very good. Question number 2. Very good, guys. What about others? 600 is the answer. Very good. Everyone got the answer? If everyone got the answer, then we'll do the next question. Any doubt? This question number 2. So the number of words that can be formed using the letter of the word petrol. So petrol, letter word petrol, such that the word P does not comes in first place. So total how many words are there? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 letters are there, and it does not have P in the first place. It should not start with P, and it should not start with P. So then it can start with E, or it should not start with P. So question is that it should not start with P, so it can start with anything. It can start with E, it can start with T, it can start with R, it can start with O, it can start with L. So how many ways how many ways you can get a letter here? Total 5 ways. है ना? You can get any of the 5 letter. Except P, you can get any letter. Okay, guys? Except P, you can get any letter. Are you getting this? So except P, use any letter. Are you getting this part? Except P, use any letter. Suppose I have used E. Suppose I have used E. Now how many letters are left? P, T, R, O, L. Total now how many letters are left? 5 letters are left. And how many places are left? Total 5 places are left. And a total 5 places are left and total 5 letters are left. So 5 letters in 5 places will come in how many ways? 5 factorial way. And a 5 person, 5 chair. They can sit in how many ways? 5 factorial way, na? So the answer for this is 5 into 5 factorial means 600. And this is like this. So n person, n chair, n person, n chair, and n person, n chair. And they'll sit in how many ways? They'll sit in n factorial ways. Are you getting this? That is nothing but NCR into n factorial. And that is nothing but NPN. That is nothing but n factorial. And so n persons are there, n chairs are there. So, so in how many ways can you choose n person and n person? So and I have n chair. In how many ways I'll choose? I'll choose in one way only, and that is equal to n factorial way. Clear, everyone? So suppose if I ask you, that 8 persons are there, and there are total 5 chairs. There are total 4 chairs. And so in how many ways they can sit? And how many ways, in how many ways can 4 person can sit? So suppose if I ask you this question, so what would be the answer? From 8 person, you have to choose any 4 person in random ways. And then in 4 place, 4 person will sit in 4 factorial ways. This answer is 8P4. You are getting it, na, everyone? So what is 8P4? So 8P4 is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. And 56 into 30. And means if one's a 1680. Clear, everyone? I hope everyone is understanding. Okay, I'm very happy. Try question number 3. Very easy question. Question number 3. Very simple question. Answer is 4. Hmm. Question number 4. Use options. You can solve maximum questions with option. Are you getting any background noise? Question number 4. I don't remember the answer. I need to. Answer is 9 only. Option C is the answer. Question number 4, answer is option C, 9. Any doubt? Use options or you can solve also. If you want me to solve manual way, I can solve it. But I really don't think that is important. What is important that you should know how to get the answer. And answer is option C, 9. Use options, you will get the answer. If you want to solve step by step way, I can show you. But will that really make sense? Like here, we are not going to select student for IIT JEE exam. So we are here to select student for CA foundation exam. So use options, get the answer, and avoid difficult things. If you want manual way, I can show you manual way answer. But just for your basic knowledge. NP6 is equal to 20 NP4. So NP6 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5. This I have taught you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal 20 n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. NP4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. N minus 4 into n minus 5 is equal to 20. Either use quantity equation or you use your maths. 5 into 4 is 20. So how that possible? That is possible if n is 9. And or if you don't want this, so use quadratic. So n square minus 9n plus 20 is equal to 0. N square n square is equal to 20. So n minus 4 into n minus 3 is just n into n minus 4 minus 4 into n minus 5 is equal to 20. n square n square minus 4n n square mistake so n into n minus 5 minus 4 into n minus 5 n square minus 5n minus 4n plus 20 is equal to 20. N square minus 9n and is equal to 0. So n into n minus 9 is equal to 0. Yes, n is equal to 9. Clear everyone? Now I hope you are getting everyone. Question number 5. Try question number 5. Yeah. Yeah. So everyone got the answer. Answer is option B, 36. Very good. Uh, do question number 6. Very good, guys. I'm really happy. I think you guys have done a lot of hard work in permutation and combination. They're really awesome. Try question number 6. Question number 6, answer is option A, 4320. You figure out how the answer is option A, 4320. Karthik got the answer. What about others, guys? Acha, I'll do that. So, question number 6, guys. Do you know the divisibility rule of 5? So the divisibility rule of 5 is that a number is divisible by 5 if the number end with 0 or 5. Remember the divisibility rule. Divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5. All that is important. But for you people, I think divisibility rule of 2 and 5 is more than enough. So 5 divisibility rule is that the number should be divisible by 5 if the number end with 0 or 5. Okay, then only the number is divisible by 5. Okay, so remember that part. Okay, now coming to the question. 1 minute. Yeah. So 7-digit number I have to make. Total how many digits are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 digits are given to me, and I have to make a 7-digit number. Okay, so no complication. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the number should not be divisible by 5. Not divisible by 5 means the last digit should not be 5. You're getting the last digit should not be 5. And the last digit should not be 5 means it can be 3 or 4 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Any digit, but should not be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means any 6 digit can come. And but 5 should not come. That's it. So you use any digit, but do not use 5 there. You are getting it now. So how many digits can come? Any 6 digit can come except 5. Okay, now if imagine if I use a digit 3. So how many digits are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are left. How many places are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 place, 6 digit will come in how many ways? 6 factorial into 6. 6 factorial is 720 into 6. And that is 4320. And a 6 person, 6 chair will sit in how many ways? 6 factorial way. Same kind of question, guys. No, you don't have to put anything extra effort to get the answer. And without putting any extra effort, you will get the answer very easily. Are you getting everyone? Now, question number 7. It's like there in 2 page. So if you can take a photo of this, then I'll go to the next page. So question number 7 is like this, that a person can go from place A to place B by 11 different modes of transport, but it's allowed to return to A by any mode other than the one used. Means you can go from A to B, you can go from Bangalore to Mysore by 11 different ways, but while coming, you cannot use the way in which you have went. Okay, so in how many ways that is possible? That is possible in 11 into 10 ways. Means what? While going, you can choose any way. So how many ways can I choose? 11 ways. But while coming, I cannot choose that way through which I went. So now while coming, how many options I have? I have only 10 options. So number of ways I can go is 110. Are you getting this question, everyone? Very good. Simple question. Try question number 8. So before I talk about question number 8, uh, before I talk about question number 8, I want you to know that part, that whenever we are discussing about circular arrangement, means n person and n person in n chair, n person in n chair in a circle, and in a circle, and will sit in how many ways? Will sit in n minus 1 factorial way. N minus 1 factorial. Why? Because in a circle, there is no starting or end point. Suppose if there are 5 chairs are there, one, two, three, four, five. Total 5 chairs are there. One, two, three, four, five. 5 chairs are there and 5 persons are there. So 5 person and a 5 person, 5 person can sit, and a 5 person can sit in 5 chairs and in a circle, in a circle, in how many ways? In 4 factorial way. Because there's no starting or end point. Okay, so if this is a starting point, then this doesn't mean that like this is the end. Means you can start from here, or you can start from here, or you can start from here, you can start from here, you can start from here, you can start from anywhere. And there's no way how you can define them. Since there's no starting or end point, so we use n minus 1 factorial. What if I give you the question something like this? Suppose 5 boys and 5 girls are sitting in a circle. 5 boys and 5 girls are sitting in 10 chairs. Suppose 5 boys and 5 girls are sitting in 10 chairs and in a circle, such that such that no two boy sit next to each other. No two boy are adjacent to each other. This is a very common question. Are adjacent to each other. Suppose if I ask you, so that here 10 chairs are there, but the people should not be, boys should not be adjacent to each other. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, and then 9 or 10. Okay, total 10 persons are there. And I want to make sure that the no two boys sit next to each other. So I cannot sit. So now, because you know that now, that whenever you talk about combination, now when we talk about combination, in combination we use NCR. The combination is like lottery system. It's like randomly you do something, and so there you cannot guarantee that part. Okay, so I want to make sure that no two boys sit next to each other. For that, what I need to do, I need to make first girls to sit. Okay, imagine I need to make for girls to sit. Either the girl will sit here, or the girl will sit here, or the girl will sit here, okay, or the girl will sit here, or the girls will sit here. Means, so I have defined five places, and I have defined five places for five girls to sit. So for the five places, five girls will sit in how many ways? Four factorial way, because it is circle, and they can start anywhere, and you can, there's no starting or end point. Once the girls have sit, now in five places, five boys can sit in five factorial way, because once you have defined the places, now it is like a linear arrangement. Till the time you don't have defined the place, then it is a circular. Then it's a like there's no starting or end point, so you use n minus one factorial. So once you have defined the place, then in n place, in n chairs, n person can sit in n factorial. And like imagine if I ask you this thing, that in how many ways, in how many ways, five people, five people will sit around the host, around the host, and in five chairs in a circle, in a circle. So what is the answer for this? The answer for this is 5 factorial. Why 5 factorial, sir? Why not 4 factorial? Why not 4 factorial? See, the answer would be 4 factorial in only in those cases when you don't have defined places, and you can sit anywhere. Five chairs are there, go and sit wherever you want, and it's up to you. But when host is sitting, then I know that the someone who is in clockwise to host, then it is, you have done logical reasoning now, you know circular arrangement, and in clockwise is left to right. I hope you know that part. And so this side is left in clockwise, and on this side is right. And I think you have done in logical reasoning, this circular arrangement and all. So if so, when the host is sitting, there's a defined place is there. And around the defined place, you can tell Ramya, you go and sit third to the left of Karthik. And I can tell Zeva, you go and sit second to the right of Karthik. Okay, I'll tell Nand Kishore, you go and sit fourth to the right of Zeva. So I can tell them, because since host is sitting, I can define their place. So since you can define the place, so it can be done in n factorial way. Where you cannot define the place, where all places are identical, and that too in circular arrangement, then it would be n minus one factorial. That part is clear with everyone. That part is clear with everyone. So answer for this would be 5 factorial into 4 factorial. 5 factorial into 4 factorial. 5 factorial is 120, and 4 factorial is 24. If you solve it, you'll get 2880. Try this question number 9. Try this question number 9, everyone. That circular part you have understood, right? Everyone, you understood when it is n minus 1 factorial, when it is not n minus 1 factorial in circle. That part have you understood? This you, Zaba, which question? Eighth one or ninth one? So this is like this. This is like this. This is like this. So 8 chairs are numbered 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 chairs are there. And two women and 3 men. So 2 women, 3 men are there, and 2 women are there. 3 men and 2 women are seated by allowing 1 chair for each. Firstly, the women choose the chair from 1 to 4. So how many women are there? Total 2 women are there, and they choose from 4 chairs. So from 4 chair, 2 women will sit, choose in how many ways? 4 suit C2 way. है ना? And then they will sit in how many ways? They can sit in 2 factorial way. Now, so what they're telling, first the women choose the chair from the chair numbered from 1 to 4. So means that is nothing but 4p2 way. So they can choose 2 chairs and they can sit, 2 women can sit. So suppose they sit in maybe in this place or maybe in this place. Only 2 women are there. Okay, now how many chairs are left, guys? Total how many chairs are left? Total how many chairs are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many chairs are left, guys? Total 6 chairs are left. Okay, how many chairs are left? Total 6 chairs are left. And from 6 chair, how many men are there? From 6 chair, 3 men are there. They can randomly choose any 3 chairs and they can sit in 3 factorial way. And so number of ways that arrangement is possible, that is 4p2 into 6p3. So this is nothing but 4p2 means 4 into 3 and 6p3 means 6 into 5 into 4. So this is 12, this is 30, this is 4. So this is 1440. Option D. Clear now? Now try this question number 10. Try question number 10. 300. What about others, guys? Question number 10. Answer is 300. Same way, 4-digit odd number. Use the same logic. The number cannot start with 0. And because you need a odd number, so it should end with 1, 3, and then 7. So in the last place, any 3-digit can come, either 1, 3, or 7. And in first place, any digit can come, but 0 cannot come, and the digit what you use in the last place, that cannot come. So, and suppose you use 1. So 2, 3, 4, 7 and 8 means to how many digit? 5. Any 5-digit can come. So in first place, any 5-digit can come. In first place, any 5-digit can come, and in last place, any 3-digit can come. Now, how many places are left? How many digits are left? Total, you have used 2 digits. Total, how many digits are there? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. So you have used 2 digits. So, well, any 5-digit can come. And then any 4-digit can come. 5 into 4 into 5 into 3. That is your answer. 300 is your answer. You're getting this, everyone? Question number 10. Are you getting, everyone? Karthik? Okay, see this, guys. So what I'm telling, so here, so what I'm telling, you need 4-digit, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit you need, and that should be odd number. And when a number is odd number, when it ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But here you have which are digits you have? Odd 1, 3, 7. So means it should end with 1, 3, or 7. Okay, so how many digits can come? 3 digits can come, either 1 or 3 or 7. And then you need a 4-digit number. So 0 cannot come here. 0 cannot come here. So total you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 8. And you these out of these 1, 3, and 7, you have used 1 digit here. In here you have used 1 digit. Okay, either the digit is 1 or 3 or 7. Suppose I have used 1. Okay, suppose I have used 1 here. So 1 I cannot use here because 1 I have used in the last place to make it an odd number. And now I cannot use 0 here because if I use 0 here, it become a 3-digit number. So I cannot use any 2 digits, either 0, or I cannot use 0, neither I can use 1 because I use 1, assuming I use 1 in the last place. Now how many digit can come in first place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means I use 5 digits here. Any of the 5 digit can come here in this place. Okay, now so far I have used 2 digits. 1 digit I use here and the other digit I use here. So total I use so far 2 digits. Total how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7 I have used 2 digit. So how many digit can come here? Any of the 5 digit. Now there's no problem. Now how many digit I use so far? 3 digits. Total 7 digits are there. So how many digit can I use here? Any of the 4 digit. So the answer for this is 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 means 25 into 12. 25 into 12 is 300. Clear, everyone? Try question number 11. Use options. With options, you'll get the answer very easily. Use options. With options, you'll get the answer very easily. Answer is 4, guys. Those who did not get the answer, try from your end. I'll discuss from this in next class. So now I'll end this class, guys. So beyond question number 11, we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, answer is option C, 4. You can use options or otherwise you try to do from your end. Yeah, I'll share the recording once. My office getting close, so I need to wind up the class. So in next class, I will discuss further. Okay, everyone. Okay, guys. Thank you.